Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to install and download Google Antigravity. So guys, Google just launched a full AI based IDE for the developers and its name is Antigravity, and it is free of cost and you can just download and use it in any OS. If you have the Windows, so it is also available for Windows, for Mac, and also available for Linux. Okay, then guys, simply go for the download. Here first simply you open this website. So name is Google Antigravity, anti Google Antigravity. Okay, so just go for the first link, googleantigravity.com. So just click it. Okay, now you are on the official page. After that, you simply go and click the option of download. Here you see the option of different OS. So currently I'm using the Mac, so I'm download for the Apple Silicon chip. So just click it and save it. So guys, here you see that I'm already download. So I'm just go for the finder, then go for the downloads, then double click, and my Antigravity is start installing. Okay, it will take few seconds to run up, so just wait and put it into the application folder. Okay, now after the sound, it's mean the application is installed. So you just open your applications and find your Antigravity. Just double click it and open it. Now guys, here you see it asks some permissions, so you just allowed, like internet, and guys, here you see it's loading. Now you just sign in with the Google. So you just go and choose the account which you want to logged in. After logged in, you just go back and sign in and open antigravity.app. Okay, so just waiting for the authentication. Okay, if you want to go the previous, so you just go, and even you use the Google Cloud projects instead. Okay, so directly import the Google Cloud project and you just use it, and you just enter the prompt and you make changes in them. Okay, now guys, here you see this is your project is ready, and guys, here you choose your model. So Gemini 3.5 Flash is one of the best model, so you choose it to the medium because it helps you to use less credits also. Okay, now here you new conversation. Here you just, if you want to mention someone, so you just enter the @ and you just enter your prompts and start creating. Okay, so this is the way that you can use this. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.